Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's see what's going on in your love life. Do another love bite for you. And these are general collective readings. Sagittarius will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, ouch, and leave the rest. So let's begin your reading, Saggis. Let's see what message there is here for you today. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Saggis, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your loving support to the channel. And yes, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay, so the cards I have on the table, Saggis, there is a lot of love here. 3 of Wands. So either somebody wants to return here, Saggis. There is a question of making a decision here. Somebody's got their blindfolds on and maybe is pulled between two different directions. And I don't know. There is a... Okay, let me read the cards out to you first. Ace of Pentacles, which is like somebody wanting a fresh, stable, brand new beginning in something that makes them very happy. The 10 of Cups, charging, moving, coming forward. But then I have the Page of Swords. This is like a kind of a spy energy, trying to get information, not making a decision yet about maybe a second chance or something, about a rebirth of this connection. There is some little bit of toxicity, maybe fear or obsession or something, but both of you do feel the love. There is love here, and somebody now wants to take back control of this connection. We'll clarify these cards as we go by, Sagittarius. Let's start with some angel blessing cards. See if you guys wanted to say something to each other, what that would be. Saggis and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more from here, Sagittarius. Sagittarius and their person. All right. And let's take a couple more from here. Sagittarius and their person. All right, good to go, Sagittarius. The first card I have here in my hand says, I try to detach and let go, but then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy, which takes me over. Damn it. Okay. See, I told you there is some kind of a sexual obsession maybe, and love as well. There's a 2 of Cups here as well. Your indifference could be the difference as to whether I continue to invest in you and our relationship anymore. So yes, somebody's trying to get more information before they make a decision whether they want to have this rebirth or not. I'm healing from deep trauma after losing you in the physical world. On reflection, I realized my inability to put myself first let me down. But as you're my mirror, I feel I ultimately let you down. I'm so sorry I couldn't be there for you when you needed me the most. I didn't know how to make myself a priority, and in not doing so, I lost the biggest part of me, you. It hurts me that you continue to choose others over me. What do they have that I don't? Or is it that you don't feel worthy of a real connection? I'm silent due to going through a dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. Maybe this is some kind of a hidden secret affair or relationship. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. I want to hold you and never let you go. I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. And I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. Alright, Sajis, so if this is resonating with your life, let's start with a blessing from my angels. Let's see how they're going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Wise decision. See, I told you, center of my spread, I have somebody who is not being able to make a decision. And yes, it's time to make that wise decision now, Sagittarius, one way or the other. Or maybe this could be for your cross watcher who's not making a decision. Okay, so let's put this card here, this one here, and let's start clarifying your cards. Ace of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups, Spirit. Such beautiful cards though. 3 of Wands. Okay. What's this 3 of Wands, Spirit? Why is the 3 of Wands in reverse? Yeah, somebody never offered this. I think somebody turned their back from this 10 of Cups at one point. There was a chance of having this Ace of Pentacles, a stable brand new beginning, 10 of Cups, the whole jig, but somebody turned their back. They refused this connection. They left somebody out in the cold, most probably, but now I do see that they want to return. They want to restart this connection, and they want to come forward, it seems. Let's see. Chariot Spirit. Sideways. Okay. Chariot. Yes, now I think somebody wants to now come back, and now they've realized that this was not a balanced relationship. They are unhappy that, that no investment was put in. They do want now to give and take proper, have a balanced relationship now. So this could be you wanting that, Sagittarius, or this could be your person. I don't know, but I want to find out who this is. The Page of Swords. What's this Page of Swords, Spirit? Page of Swords. There's a lot of passion in this connection. Somebody is still kind of wanting to fight for this connection one more time. They're still waiting and watching as to what decision will be made. Will we have another go around to this or not? 2 of Swords. 2 of Swords. They want somebody to come back and take back control of this connection, be the Emperor, and I have the Emperor in the end, so maybe we're going towards a good ending here. But yeah, somebody is unable to make a decision and maybe waiting for that person to come in and take back charge, take back control. Right now they're probably feeling they're feeling quite bad. They feel like they lost, or they're feeling like a loser, or they're feeling embarrassed that things haven't worked out in this connection. Judgment in reverse. Judgment in reverse. Yes, there's a bit of delay going on because they feel their partner blocked them. They've been blocked. There has been no movement. Somebody still kind of got their blindfold on, waiting for somebody to come in and maybe restart this connection. Maybe. What's this devil? What's this devil, Spirit? Somebody is very wrapped up in the memories of the past. There is a feminine energy who is, I think, still very obsessed and not very happy by the way things haven't progressed in the past. There's a lot of anger here as well, probably, but somebody still is quite obsessed with this connection, but till now I think all the promises made have been broken. So that's what's led to this unhappiness in this lovely connection. This feels like a soulmate connection, but it's gone a bit sour, but the feelings are still there. 2 of Cups. 2 of Cups, Spirit. Ah, 2 of Cups. There is a strong possibility here. 1 minute. One more, Spirit. What's this Page of Pentacles? and the Emperor. One more for the Emperor. Yeah, somebody is wishing and hoping, but the message hasn't come in yet. I think Sagittarius, somebody feels this connection very, very strongly. They know that, they want that person to come and take back control. They already in their mind see them as their perfect spouse. They're looking for this reunion, but right now maybe feeling that, they were always made to feel like they can't win, or they've always been the loser. Things have kind of stagnated at the moment. As much as they want this Emperor to come back and take control, they also somewhere feel, they're being juggled maybe because their person doesn't make a decision. Somebody is wishing and hoping for some secrets to be revealed, or for this Emperor to come and reveal what they really want in this connection. But as of now, I do see a little bit of stagnancy here, Sagittarius. I'll be honest. That message that is being long awaited hasn't come because no decision has been made yet. No decision has been made yet. Anything else for Sagittarius spirit? Yes, that is feeling overwhelmed and, feeling stressed out and can't see the light because don't know what's going to happen. Any help for Sagittarius spirit? Not of now, right now, because the moon energy is here. It's still in the dark. You don't know what's going to happen. Somebody is going through the dark night of the soul here. Still kind of overwhelmed, feeling, not knowing whether I'll ever get this commitment or not. This is just a love bite. By the next reading, I'll go back into both your energies and see what's really happening in this connection. But at least today, for today's reading, I don't see a decision having been made. Yes, there's a lot of wish for this beginning. There's a lot of wish for this Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. But there is, the other person hasn't made a decision yet. So let's see what this decision is going to be in your next reading. Till now, one person feels that none of the past promises have been kept. So let's see what they're going to be doing in the future. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.